Let's look at the Plagas Parasite from Resident Evil 4. The Plaga are a genus of parasitic arthropods serving as the cause of an epidemic to a remote mountainous region of Spain, commonly referred to as Las Plagas, which literally translates to the Plagas in Spanish. Looking into the history of the Las Plagas parasite, it was assumed that Spain is where it originated from, but the parasite most likely came from West Africa, as ancient desiccated remains of the Plaga were discovered within the Nidipaya kingdom, and over the centuries eventually found its way to Spain during the Bronze Age. Upon the parasite's arrival to Spain, a cult was formed which worshipped the Plaga, and those affected by the parasites were known as ganados. But Count Gregorio Salazar led a brutal crusade against the cult due to their pagan beliefs, and the remaining Plagas were sealed away within a cave system deep underground, and a fortress was constructed above it, where Salazar and his future descendants took the role of Castellan to prevent the escape of the Plaga. But around the turn of the millennium, one individual known as Osmond Sadler, who was a descendant of one of the original banished ganados, discovered the Plaga and devised a plan to utilize them for personal gain and worldwide infection. And he managed to convince Ramon Salazar, the 8th and current Castellan, to release the Plaga. And during the excavation, Sadler employed villagers to help dig the site. All the Plagas within the cave were mummified due to the low oxygen environment and needed to survive in the form of spores infecting the villagers. Sadler and his cult would go on to further experiment with the Plaga and discovered its ability to mutate humans under specific circumstances, resulting in increased strength, giant proportions, and even the ability to rapidly regenerate body parts. The Plaga was also capable of creating human and animal hybrids.